Okay, so we're working on calculus 1 limits. Let's get started. So for this one, we are looking at the limit as x approaches 2 of 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 over x minus 2. Okay, so in all these types of problems, the first thing you're going to want to do is try to insert the limiting value. Well, the limiting value is that 2 that you see under the LIM. Yeah, we're going to try to put that in place of all the x's that you see. Okay, so what would that look like? Well, let's insert that 2 in place of all the x's, and then we can calculate that by hand or calculator, however you want to do it. And we would unfortunately get 0 over 0. Now, 0 over 0 is what they call the indeterminate form, and it's not going to fly in this case, okay? Unfortunately, it's not. Now, what you're going to want to do after you see that doesn't work typically, and especially in this problem, is you're going to want to use algebra manipulation. Now, what I mean by algebra manipulation in this problem, I mean factoring, right? If I look at that numerator, although a is greater than 1, I could still attempt to break this thing up by factoring, okay? If you need help factoring this thing, make sure you mention it down below. So when I break this thing up, what would it look like? Well, yeah, again, like I said, we're going to use a different method where a is greater than 1, but we're still going to try to factor this thing. So I'd get the limit as x approaches 2 of 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. Now, use your algebra eyes, and you can see what's going to happen, right? The x minus 2's, they're going to cancel. Cool, that's gone. Now, we're just going to rewrite the limit for whatever is left over, and we would have the limit as x approaches 2 of 2x plus 1. Now, after the first time you insert the limiting value and it didn't work, it doesn't mean you stop there. You try it again after something like that happens. And if you don't get 0 over 0 or anything crazy like that, it might work. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. If we insert the 2 in place of the x, we'd get 2 times 2 plus 1. It's going to produce a number, and that's going to work out better. So let's answer this question. The limit as x approaches 2 of 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 over x minus 2 is equal to 5. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. I'll see you next time.